Hi everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really interesting because I have an unboxing for you guys and I'm going to tell you right away, spoiler alert, it is not pink. It's actually like the opposite of pink, I guess you could say. It's very surprising that I bought this bag, but once you see it, I think you'll kind of get why I bought it, and I will also, explain the story and the history that I have with this brand and why I bought it and everything. So please stay tuned for that. I think it's going to be really, really exciting. But before we get started, I did want to say welcome to my channel. If you have never seen me before, my name is Saki. I love luxury and handbags, and pretty much you'll find out in this video that's like kind of my thing. So if you like those things as well, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you go. I upload twice a week and I also do monthly giveaways, so there's so many cool things on this channel that I think you'll really like. Alright, so I have the bag with me here. It's already unboxed. I'm so sorry. I could never do true unboxings on this channel. I've actually been wearing this a lot and it's taken like all of my willpower to not just like Instagram it to show you guys, because I know it's going to be a huge surprise when I do reveal it. So I'm very, very excited to finally show you guys today so that I can take pictures and outfit pictures and everything. So let's just get right into it. So I bought this off of Farfetch, and full disclaimer, I did use a Farfetch credit that I had from working with them in the past, so I did not pay for this bag. But honestly, I think this is one of the bags that I probably would have paid for even if I didn't have a credit. So here we go, and right away you're going to see what the brand is because the dust bag is in here. It's another Vivienne Westwood bag! Oh my god, I'm so excited! You guys may know that I've been super obsessed with Vivienne Westwood lately. I used to be obsessed with them like as a kid, like a lot, when I was in high school, and I was more like a, I don't know, like a punk rock, like emo kind of kid. So that's when I first discovered the brand, but lately I've been getting back into them. As you can see, I'm wearing one of their earrings right now, and I have like a couple of jewelry pieces from Vivienne Westwood. I just think that they're a brand that makes like really good quality items, like jewelry and accessories and stuff, but they're not that expensive for like good quality. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like a designer brand, but it's not crazy expensive. I mean, this bag, I'll just tell you now, was about $300, I believe, and like I said, I did use a credit for it, but $300 for a full bag I think is really good, and especially once you see like the versatility of this bag and like how much it can hold, I think that it's a really good deal. Alright, so let's get into it. Oh my god, I'm just going to show you a sneak peek now because the color is totally going to surprise you. It's black. Okay. Alright, ready? Okay, so here I'm going to reveal to you my new Vivienne Westwood heart-shaped backpack. How freaking adorable is this? So, it's so many things that are like different for me. It's, first of all, obviously, it's black. Like, look at my collection. I don't have any dark colors. I barely even have like a dark pink in my collection, so having a black bag is very different for me. Also, on top of that, it's silver hardware. What? I know, it's so crazy. I do feel like I would have preferred gold hardware, but I do think that the black and silver looks really nice, and I just could not get over how freaking adorable this backpack is. It's in a heart shape. You guys know I loved heart-shaped bags. I mean, my Prada bag is literally right there. This actually can't hold as much as the Prada bag, but I love it a lot because it's like more versatile, because it can be used as a crossbody and as a backpack as well. And oh my god, once I show you guys what this looks like on as a backpack, you're gonna freak because it's seriously that cute. And I will also show you like a typical outfit that I would style it with, just so that you can see like how it fits in my aesthetic. I've gotten this comment a couple of times where people have said that they love the way that I can like explore different styles while also sticking true and staying true to my own style. So I kind of did want to show you like a way that I would incorporate, more black into my fashion. Although if you have been following me on Instagram, you will know that I have been wearing a lot more black. I bought a black leather jacket from All Saints not too long ago, and then also my black Gian Vito Rossi boots. So yeah, I have been incorporating it a lot more, and I think, it was about time that I bought a black bag. Now, I wasn't going to go like full on luxury, like, spend thousands of dollars on a bag that I may only want to use you know, a couple of times or just during this phase where I am wearing darker colors. So that's why I thought also that it was perfect that I got a Vivienne Westwood bag, because I genuinely love this brand so much. And like I said, the price wasn't, you know, too crazy or anything. So yeah, that is why I bought it. And like I've been saying, I really do think that this fits my aesthetic. Even though it is a different color, it's still a cute shaped bag. I mean, it's in the shape of a heart, for Christ's sake, and you know, it's still got that like cutesy style that I really love, and that's like true to my aesthetic, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to show you around the bag. Oops, I didn't even empty it out all the way. I still have like a hand sanitizer in here. Yeah, so this is just the inside of the bag. It literally is just like a little black hole. It also is vegan leather, so I always like to mention that if it is the case on my channel, in case you guys are, you know, interested and you are vegan as well, it actually can hold a decent amount of stuff. I'll just show you really fast since it is a small bag. Alright, so I just went and grabbed my bag. So I have my Chanel card case, my new camellia print one that's super cute. I'll just stick that in there, and then I'm going to put my hand sanitizer back in here. And then I always carry my little compact comb thing. I'll put a lipstick in here. This obviously isn't the one that I'm currently using, but just to show you guys that fits. I also have my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. Oh my god, it looks so jacked up right now. I haven't really paid attention to it in a while, and it's looking pretty worse for wear right now. Alright, I'll stick a couple more things in here. I have a little mini concealer, which I have been carrying around with me because when I do wear my mask, I like to only do my eye makeup, but then because I'm like breathing and blowing hot air like onto my eyes, my eyeliner like always smudges, and I always just try to fix it with concealer. So yeah, I always carry that with me now. I have my oil blotting sheets I'll just stick in there, and then a contact lens case, and that's all that I can really think of that I would like need on a daily basis. So I will just do that. If you guys are wondering, if you're like old school watchers of mine, why I don't carry sriracha anymore, it's because we don't go out and eat anymore, so no need to bring the hot sauce with me on the go. Alright, so all of that fits in there pretty nicely, and then it closes up like that, and that's it. How freaking cute is that? So like I was saying, this is used as a backpack. There are like two little hooks here that go into this hook, and that is how it like forms a backpack shape. However, if you do want to use it as a crossbody, each individual strap is very long. As you can see, it's like double wrapped, and then the other strap goes all the way down to here. So you can use it as a crossbody as well. What you would do is just actually detach this, and then you would hook this onto this D-ring, and then you would make the strap longer, if that makes sense. So the last hole is like right about here, and I just put that hole maybe here or so, and then it makes like a longer crossbody strap. Does that make sense? I don't want to do it because it's a pain in the butt to like unhook all of these, especially with my nails and everything. So hopefully you kind of just get that from how I'm explaining it to you. But yeah, you can definitely use it as a crossbody bag. So I love versatility, I love bullseye functionality, I love anything that can be used in multiple like different ways. It just makes me feel like I've spent like my money really well if I can use a bag in multiple situations. So I think this would be really great on like maybe a short trip. I'm actually thinking of going to visit a friend in San Francisco just for a day. So I was thinking like, oh, I could use it as a backpack like, you know, during the day, and then at nighttime if I am going out I can use it as like a crossbody or something. So yeah, I just think that it's super cool and versatile. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like on me and how I would style it and wear it. So let's go do that. Alright, so this is like a typical outfit that I would wear with this backpack. I definitely think that bringing in a darker color like black is, you know, key. But you guys know that I already love wearing like these kinds of skirts. This is just like a black and white houndstooth skirt, and it's got some pleats on the bottom. I have so many of these like black and white skirts, and just a couple in like darker colors as well. This is definitely a typical winter outfit for me. If it's super cold outside, I'll probably throw on like black tights as well. So it kind of like brings the whole outfit together. And I still have a little bit of pink on because of my pink top. So this is how I normally carry the bag. I literally just sling it over my shoulder on one side. I think it looks really cute and really casual this way, and it's really easy to get into the backpack this way as well. So the zippers are on the wrong side for this, but you know, if you just throw the zippers on the side like this, super easy to get in and out of. Now you can wear it as a backpack as well. I haven't adjusted mine, so it is very tight. I probably would bring it down like maybe 1 or 2 notches over here if I did want to carry it as like a proper backpack. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I think it's super cute, especially after I adjust it. You know, it would be more comfortable. And then I also wanted to show you guys like what it looks like as a crossbody as well, but I'm not going to take the straps off because like I said, it's kind of a pain in the butt to do that, especially when I have like nails on. So I'm just going to throw on a strap to show you guys, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I have my leather jacket on from All Saints, because if I am going out at night, that's probably how I would dress. Alright, so just imagine that these straps aren't here obviously, but this is how it would look like as a crossbody. See, it's super cute and so freaking versatile. I love it so, so much. So like on vacation, like I said, I would definitely use it as like a backpack during the day, and then just, you know, adjust the strap or take the strap off and put another one on, and then it's a crossbody for nighttime. Super cute and so versatile. Alright, what did you guys think of the bag? Do you love it? I love it so, so much. You've got to let me know what you guys think. Like, I know it's a different color for me, but I honestly do still think that it's true to my style, and it's something that I definitely will love and cherish. And like I said, I didn't spend money on it, so you know, that's also a win. But honestly, like I was saying, I totally would have purchased it with my own money as well if I didn't have the credit. So if you guys like this, I will link it down below for you guys. I think it is sold out on Farfetch, but I think that you can still get it on a couple of different websites. So please go in the description box below and check it out if you want to. I also am so bad at this, but I'm trying to get better at it. I will also leave a link to whatever I'm wearing in the video down in the description box below as well, because people always ask me and I always forget. So please go check that out if you like my pearl sweater. Alright, so that was all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before I go, I did want to mention March's giveaway. Now there is only a couple more days that you can enter in March's giveaway to win this beautiful twilly. So this twilly was made by my friends Ro and Amanda on Instagram. They hand drew and designed this, and I just think it's so lovely and so cute. It'll look great on any handbag, and I'm so happy to be partnering with them in March's giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. You can enter in as many videos as you want in the month of March. All you have to do is just go back through all the videos that I've uploaded in March and enter a comment with this emoji. Please also make sure that you're leaving your Instagram username if it is different from your YouTube username. You also do obviously have to be following me on YouTube and following me, Ro and Amanda, on Instagram as well. I will leave all of the information down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching another unboxing with me. There are going to be a couple more unboxings on the way, so please stay tuned for that, and they're very exciting, expensive pieces. So yeah, please stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window.